grind it to a nice fine puree. Now if you get ready-made tomato paste, you can use that as well. To a nice wide pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. First add 4 cloves of garlic finely chopped. Next add 2 small onions finely chopped. Saute the onions and garlic. Once the onions are transparent, I am going to season it with 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon pepper, half teaspoon cumin powder. So just give it a quick mix. Now add the washed long grain basmati rice. Gently stir it. Mix it along with the onions and the garlic. Make sure you do this gently because you don't want to break the rice. So we're going to just toast the rice a little bit to get those flavors out before we add all the other ingredients. So just keep the flame on medium low while doing this. Stir it for about 2 minutes. So to this I'm going to add a few vegetables, starting with 1 small green capsicum, 1 small red capsicum or red bell pepper finely chopped, 1 yellow bell pepper. If you have sweet corn, because I wanted to retain the flavors better. It's a very simple yet very tasty one pot dish. It's got a lot of nice flavors. Finally, I'm going to add 2 cups of water. For better flavor, you can use 2 cups of chicken stock or vegetable stock. If not, just plain water will be enough. Before you close the pan, check for seasoning if you need a little salt. Make sure the seasoning is correct. Reduce the flame to a low and cook the rice for about 20 minutes. Wow, that looks amazing. So after 20 minutes, I've turned off the stove. And let's check and see if the rice. Enjoy and let me know how it turned out for you guys.